Gold has been the world's safe haven for centuries. But in the digital age, Bitcoin is challenging its throne. As recession fears rise in 2025, the question is simple. Which asset will protect your wealth? Gold or Bitcoin? Gold has stood the test of time. Central banks hold over 35,000 tons of it. During market chaos, it's still the go-to hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. But while gold is stable, critics argue it doesn't generate yield, and younger investors see it as outdated. Bitcoin, born in 2009, is marketed as digital gold. It has a capped supply of 21 million coins and is borderless, decentralized, and portable. Younger investors prefer it, and ETFs have brought Wall Street into the game. But volatility remains Bitcoin's biggest weakness. Can an asset that swings 10% in a week really be a safe haven? When markets panic, gold usually rises steadily, while Bitcoin can either skyrocket or crash. Gold is backed by thousands of years of trust. Bitcoin is backed by technology and adoption. One is tangible, the other is digital. Both compete for the same role, a hedge against uncertainty. Let's look at the numbers. Historically, gold has had little correlation to the stock market. But Bitcoin? It often trades with the S&P 500, especially during risk-on rallies and sell-offs. That makes it less of a hedge and more of a high-octane risk asset. Now, let's compare returns since 2009. The S&P 500 has delivered about 12% annualized returns. Gold has returned roughly 6 to 7% per year. Bitcoin? Even after crashes, it's averaged over 100% annualized returns since inception. So while Bitcoin's long-term numbers are explosive, they've come with wild volatility. Gold and the S&P are far steadier, but with lower returns. With the Federal Reserve weighing interest rate cuts and inflation still sticky, investors are searching for protection. If a global recession hits, will institutions flock to gold as they always have? Or will Bitcoin finally prove it deserves the title of safe haven? So, will the next crisis crown gold once again, or will Bitcoin take the lead? The truth is, both assets may play a role in the portfolio of the future. Which one do you trust more? Let us know in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe.